Still bound by bulky motherboards? Break free! Meet the youyeetoo K1, 82 by 71 millimeters of pure power. Forget complex carrier boards. Snap on a cooling fan, connect the Type-C dock, power it up. Welcome to Windows. Desktop-grade Intel N100, packed with onboard LPDDR5. High-density gold fingers handle all expansions. Flawless data transmission. Seamless industrial integration, embedded into robotics for ultra-low latency control. Power smart retail terminals with rock-solid stability, or deploy edge AI gateways for real-time local processing. But here is the best part. Worried about drivers? Our open-source wiki and pre-configured setup make hardware coding effortless. Stop waiting, start building.